Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a listing in Etsy. A popular online marketplace for handmade and unique items. Adding a listing is a straightforward process that requires some basic information about your item. To get started, you need to have an Etsy account and be logged into your shop. First, click on the Add a New Listing button, which can be found on your shop's dashboard. This will take you to the listing form, where you will need to enter information about your item. Start by selecting the type of listing you want to create, such as a physical item or a digital download. Next, add a title to your listing, which should be descriptive and include relevant keywords that buyers might use when searching for your item. You also need to add a description of your item, which should include details such as the materials used, the size, and any other relevant information. Now, add some photos of your item, which should be high quality and show the item from different angles. You can add up to 10 photos per listing, and it is recommended that you use all of them to showcase your item. After that, set a price for your item, which should be competitive with other similar items on Etsy. You also need to set a quantity, which is the number of items you have available for sale. You also need to select a category and subcategory for your item, which will help buyers find it when searching. You can also add tags to your listing, which are keywords that describe your item and can help with search engine optimization. Finally, review your listing carefully to make sure everything is accurate and complete. You can also preview your listing to see how it will look to buyers. Once you are happy with your listing, click the Publish button to make it live. Some best practices to keep in mind when adding a listing in Etsy include using high-quality photos, writing detailed and accurate descriptions, and setting competitive prices. You should also make sure to follow Etsy's policies and guidelines, which can be found in the Etsy Seller Handbook. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a successful listing on Etsy and start selling your items to buyers all over the world. Remember to keep your listings up to date and to continuously monitor and improve them to increase your sales and grow your business.